Alright, just going to talk about injector plugs. So these are the factory Yamaha. These are VXR ones, 1.8. And that's the AliExpress ones. I got quoted like $180 for the piggy tail. Anyway, so they're Denso injectors. They're way bigger. As you can see. Massive. 1000cc. And I've got the flu at the moment, so yeah. Always something. So that's the original lead. And that's the AliExpress one. And they'll go straight on. No dramas. Yep. Plugs on. It's on. Probably on. Hard to do it with one hand. Anyway, so they look like that. I'll show you a picture on my phone in a minute. So that one, yep. Denso. Comes with a tail on it. And that'll plug straight into that factory Yamaha one. So you can extend it just by it like that. So the other one, you see the notch there? Alright. Got to have that notch you get around the injector. There's so many different types and they're not right. So anyway, this is what I brought. Freeze a picture, have a look at it. Try to get it in there for you. And that's them ones. That's the piggy tail one. I just put on there. That's that one. And the other one is this one. This is the factory Yamaha. It's an aftermarket plug, of course, but it's just the cut-off wire. So don't pay big bucks. You can get them online. I'll get them on AliExpress. No dramas. Alright, thanks for watching.